Okay, so I'm going to show you how to take color from this website and put it into your ArcMap, which is not readily apparent. So if you come in here and you pick your type of color, right, we talked qualitative would be a category of things like cat, dog, fish. Diverging would be like we want to go from good to bad, and at some point it's going to hit 0 in the middle. So like red would be bad shades and green would be good shades, and in the middle it would be like kind of neutral. And then sequential would just be low to high. So qualitative, we pick the number of classes we need. We can have a bunch of classes if we want. But the most helpful thing here is we can take RGB values, they're called, just red, green, blue. It's kind of all the colors that go into making a color. The computer has specific amounts of red and green and blue that it puts into a mixture on your pixels to make a color. So you basically just get this list. It says, all right, we're going to use 166 red, 206 green, and 277 blue to make this light blue color here. So this is what the website gives you, right? So the way you pull that into ArcMap is you open it and you add some data. We'll add in let's do fun things. Where is that? Okay. All right. So go to my data view here, and I'm going to symbolize by type of fun thing, or I guess description, and I'm going to make them big so we can see what's going on. Okay, so this is a map that's using the standard color template from Esri, right? Like anybody who's a GIS guy person can tell this very quickly. But let's say we wanted to use one of those color brewer options. We could split our screen between them, and we could go to each dot, and this is a little bit work intensive. And you can see on my left side I have red value, green value, blue value. On the right side I can go and I can say I clicked on the symbology tab, and then I clicked on the color, and then I go to more colors. And right there I have this option to pick RGB. Then I can put in the red, the green, and the blue value. And they go from top to bottom, red, green, blue. So this one I would change to 166, and I hit tab and it goes to the next one. I hit 206, I tab 227. And you see now the result's going to be that blue. And then usually when you do something like this, you want to hit save as and save that so you never have to do that again. You can always just pick it in the future. So we did that one. So then we do the next one. We do more colors, change it to RGB. I guarantee you're going to forget to change it to RGB first few times, but if you don't get your color, it's probably because it's still on HSV, which is just another way to talk about colors on a computer. 31 120 180. Great. Save. Great. So we're getting there, right? If we went down the list, we would have this cool custom color palette that looks great that people would be like, oh, wow, this person knows what they're doing. You know, that's typically the effect, and you'd be surprised what a difference it can make to have your own colors. And it's surprisingly hard. I would challenge you to come up with a color that's as nice as one of the ones on this website. And it's amazing how one of these numbers being a little bit different, like 5 numbers off, can make it look like a terrible color. Like, it's very surprising. And there's like a whole, science of doing that. I don't really know what that is, but that's why I use the website. Anyway.